Today I want to share with you this new product that I just received from Amazon to make a review for you. This is a WideMax multi-cooker. This is a 12-in-1 multi-cooker, have an easy Sauté in white body, a ceramic non-stick coating, that's great, and 3 levels for a wide range of cooking needs. Have a noise reduction valve cover, and a safety 1-button pressure release. Came with this testimonial right here. Here came some receipts, pressure multi-cooker. So you have all these functions in your multi-cooker. You can choose by product like rice, beans, or by function like a slow cook, steam, sterilize. But you have all these buttons too to choose the level, the time. You have a menu, the start and cancel button. Now let's go to see the inside. But first, let me show you this part to relieve the pressure of your multi-cooker that you can activate it with this interrupter right here. And in the inside, we have this part that have this indicator of maximum and minimum level of water or food, and this non-sticky surface. Now I'm gonna make some rice. First, I'm gonna choose the product rice, as you can see, and the minimum time because I'm gonna make so little rice. I choose 12 minutes. I will put 1 cup of rice and 2 of water, and we're gonna wait. But as you can see, it's so easy process. So here is our rice. As you can see, this was a so fast process. I'm gonna have a great consistency. This is a sushi rice, so this consistency is perfect to make my sushi. This was an only 12-minute process, and you can eat your rice so comfortable. So I highly recommend this multi-cooker for your home because you can save time and make so many delicious recipes for you. See you.